You need to watch this if your stomach embarrasses you in the middle of class, or if you've ever blamed the dog for weird noises coming from your belly. Let's solve the mystery of those stomach growls. Okay, here's the deal. Borborygmi is just the scientific word for those loud, gurgly sounds your stomach makes. It happens when food, liquid, and gas move through your digestive system. Think of it like plumbing pipes. Sometimes you just hear stuff moving around. Most people think stomach growls mean you're hungry, but actually, your gut is always working, whether it's empty or full. Those muscles in your intestines are constantly pushing things along, kind of like a conveyor belt at a sushi restaurant. When there's not much food in there, it just gets noisier. So next time your stomach roars during a quiet moment, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body's way of keeping things moving. And now you can impress your friends by calling it Borborygmi instead of my stomach is talking. Now you know!